Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the system section, languages and advanced reset options, and select erase all data, factory reset, erase all data, erase all data. And after a few minutes your device will be restarted, and we'll see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.